building my own sand kingdom! Castle's almost done! Whoa, who's that? Hey, hope you don't mind. Hey, why'd you do that? I was just at the beach. Oh, my poor castle. Huh? What's that? Oh my goodness, a plush kitty! Awesome! Give me that! I want it! No way! I found it! Ugh. Hey, come back here! Better than nothing. Give it back, it's mine! Oh, there's a toy inside! Huh? That's mine too! As if. Keep dreaming! Whoa, it's a pop tube dog! So fun! Mine! Nope. Kitty, can you believe this? Wait, I've got an idea! For real! Fold the paper like this. Let's keep it neat and even. Fold one side again. Perfect! Same with the other half. Seal the edges like this. Now we'll zigzag fold so it bends like this. Perfect! Now stick on some eyes. And boom! Snake flyer! More colors, more fun! These rock! Just squeeze and release! Whoosh! Ow! What are you, 5? Sneak attack! Oopsie! Get off me! Ooh, another one! Phew! Stop it! Okay. I'm so bored. What else is in here? Not this again. So over it. Anything better in here? Huh? These toys suck. Good thing I've got another box. Whoa! Now we're talking! Hi, squishy friend! Don't need this junk anymore.
Alright, kids. Today's aid lesson. We've got a thermometer. And a syringe.
Whoa! I want that one!
What? No way.
Wait, how about now?
Oh, well, okay then. Just be careful.
Sweet! Ready for a checkup? Let's do a couple injections. No way! You inflate so cool! Let's make another bubble. Wow! Now it squishes even better! Everyone's gotta see this! Check out my new toy! Ooh, so many likes! Yes! Wow!
Huh? Oh, important call. Hello?
That's awesome! Wish I had one! Wait, what's this? Take off the syringe part first. Now grab this colorful glue. Pour it inside. Put the syringe back. Stick in this tube. Scoop slowly. Careful. Top layer set. Nice!
Yeah!
Now it's squeezable but no spills. Just don't go too hard. Whoa! Better than I expected! Time to share with the world. Oops. No camera on my phone. What? Lame. Whatever. At least I've got a cool new toy.
Yahoo!
I'm hungry. Berry snack time. Love these. Whoa, where did they go? Oh, hey! No! What did you do? What are you talking? Oh. My poor berries. Wait a sec. This squishes so well. What? I want to squish something too. Huh? No, not that. Ugh, that's ancient.
Try this, miss.
Oh, I get it now. I'll make my own toy. Start with some Play-Doh. Whoa, it's gooey. Roll up some little balls. Line them up. Add more colors. Perfect! Now cover it all in slime! Yes! So it's extra fun to smash. Let me try a few. Yep, works. Forget it, smashing it all together. Oh yeah, that's a good chunk. Let's pop it in a Ziploc. Seal it tight. Boom! Toy complete. Whoa, this turned out amazing. Check those colors. Now this is a real toy. Let's see what's new. Ooh, order that.
Delivery for you, miss.
Finally! What's in the box? Huh? Not what I ordered.
Try pressing it.
Okay. Let's try. Press here first. Whoa, it inflates! Now the belly. So cool! Don't forget the arms and legs. Even the bow inflates. Yes! Whoa, this is next level. Aw, so cute. I could never afford that. There's some extra balloons. Want one? For me? Thanks! Awesome! Whee! What can I do with these? Oh, time to dust off some books. They'll help. Stick a balloon here. Grab a bottle. Snip, snip. Slide the balloon on the neck. Sprinkle in that dust. Perfect. Tie it off tight. Give it a funky hairstyle, then draw a face. Let's start with eyebrows. Then eyes. And this mouth. Aw, you look scared, buddy. Let's give it a squish. Yes, nailed it! Ha, so fun! I made a few more just in case. You made that? So cool! Yep, let's play together.
What? You two, toys away. It's class time.
Squish toys are life! Time to decorate the desk. This guy's perfect. There we go. Hi, little bear. Huh? What happened? Oh no! Look, his head came off! So? Poor bear. Whoa, she has so many toys. I'll borrow one. Don't worry, bear, I got you. Now you're a new squish. This is awesome! She's got a squish toy too? Ugh, guess they're out of style now. I'd rather blow a bubble. Huh? Wait, I've got an idea. First, snap a selfie. Like this. Perfect! Time to print it. I look gorgeous! Now let's cut a hole right here. Grab another sheet and add some glue. Glue all sides except the top, just like that. Stick the photo on top. Slide a balloon inside. Perfect! Add some stuffing for volume. And glue the top edge down. Press it well. There! All done! Whoa! Now I can blow gum bubbles forever! Awesome! Wow! That bubble looks real! Cool, right?